Look up at the night sky. The moon shines brightly. It seems close. But did you know the moon is about 240,000 miles away? That's 250,000 miles. It's the farthest humans have traveled in space. Astronauts took about 3 days to reach the moon. Imagine traveling that far. Now let's journey further into our universe. Our moon is the closest celestial body to us. It's a familiar sight in our night sky. But even this familiar object is incredibly far away. The distance to the moon is vast. It helps us begin to grasp the scale of the universe. Let's travel beyond the moon. Our journey takes us to Jupiter. Jupiter is a giant planet. It has a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. This storm is so big you could fit 3 Earths inside it. Imagine a storm that large. Jupiter's Great Red Spot shows the immense scale of objects in space. Now let's visit Saturn. Saturn is known for its beautiful rings. These rings are made of ice and rock. They are incredibly thin but stretch across an enormous distance. Saturn's rings could fit 9 Earths side by side. Saturn's rings remind us of the beauty and grandeur of our universe. Our next stop is Neptune. Neptune is a blue giant. It's very, very far from the sun. Neptune is about 3 billion miles away from the sun. That's 30 times farther than Earth is from the sun. Sunlight takes 4 hours to reach Neptune. Think about how long it takes sunlight to reach Earth. Neptune's distance shows how vast our solar system truly is. Neptune is a cold and distant world. It's a reminder that our solar system extends far beyond the familiar planets. The distances between objects in space are immense, but our journey doesn't end here. Let's venture even farther into the cosmos. We've explored our solar system. Now let's travel to the stars. Our first stop is VI Canis Majoris. VI Canis Majoris is a red hypergiant star. It is one of the largest stars we know. If you placed VI Canis Majoris where our sun is, it would stretch out past Saturn. Imagine a star that big. VI Canis Majoris is a colossal star. Its size is almost unimaginable. It puts our own sun into perspective. Our sun is a medium-sized star. There are stars out there that are much, much larger. Let's zoom out even further. We are now looking at our galaxy. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way. The Milky Way is a vast collection of stars, gas, and dust. It's shaped like a spiral. Our sun is just one of billions of stars in the Milky Way. Light travels very fast, but it still takes 100,000 years for light to travel across the Milky Way. That's how big our galaxy is. The Milky Way is our galactic home, but it's just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. Section 6. Beyond our galaxy. NGC 6744 and the Hubble Deep Field. Let's journey beyond the Milky Way. We'll visit a galaxy called NGC 6744. NGC 6744 is a spiral galaxy like our own, but it's twice the size of the Milky Way. It's located millions of light years away. That means the light we see from NGC 6744 left the galaxy millions of years ago. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured images of distant galaxies. These images are called the Hubble Deep Field. The Hubble Deep Field shows thousands of galaxies. Each galaxy contains billions of stars. It's a glimpse into the vastness of the universe. Section 7. Carl Sagan's perspective. Grains of sand and the abundance of stars. The universe is incredibly vast. Carl Sagan once said, "There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth." Imagine all the beaches on Earth. Now imagine each grain of sand representing a star. That's how many stars there are in the universe. Carl Sagan's words help us understand the sheer number of stars. It's a number that's hard to comprehend, but it reminds us of the vastness and wonder of the universe. Section 8. Ancient Light. Glimpsing the early universe. When we look at distant objects in space, we are looking back in time. The light from these objects takes time to reach us. Some of the light we see from distant galaxies is billions of years old. It's light that has been traveling through space since the early universe. Looking at this ancient light is like looking back in time. It allows us to study the early universe. We can learn about how galaxies formed and how the universe has evolved over time. Section 9. A Cosmic Perspective. Our place in the universe. The universe is vast. It's filled with billions of galaxies. Each galaxy contains billions of stars. Our planet Earth is just a tiny speck in this vast cosmos. But even though we are small, we are part of something much bigger than ourselves. We are made of the same stuff as the stars. We are connected to the universe in ways we are only beginning to understand. Our journey through the universe reminds us of the beauty and wonder that surrounds us. It also reminds us of our place in the cosmos. Please subscribe and like if you enjoy this kind of video.